you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be creating this lovely look. I absolutely love it. I love the addition of this emerald bluish green color below the waterline, and I'm also trying to cut crease for the first time in this, so I'm a little excited about that. So if you want to know how I do this look, just keep watching. So as you can see, I've done my base and I've done my eyebrows and I've prepped my eyes with a little bit of primer, and now we're going to try to recreate this look on this eye. I'm going to start by using this shade right here, and I'm just going to put it in my crease. Next I'm going to use this brown shade. This is for my Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. And we're going to put this again in our crease and blend it downwards. I'm going to pack it on first and then blend it down. Next I'm going to use this orange shade, and this time I'm just going to use it as a sort of transition shade. So I'm going to put it above the brown. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and if you haven't heard about it, it's not what you think. We're just going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind. I love this concealer, and I'm going to put this on this tiny little flat brush, and we're going to paint our eyes essentially. And you want to take your time and be a little careful with this. And once I've got the shape, I'm just going to blend it out towards the brown. I'm using a patting motion to blend. I'm also going to use the brush that I put the brown eyeshadow on and blend it inward, just to make sure everything's blended properly. Now I'm going to use this gold shade and apply it over the concealer. And again I'm using a patting motion. I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal Kajal on my lower waterline. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and this one is in the shade Jeweled Jade. It's a really nice blue shade. Now I'm going to put this under my waterline, under the black, and I'm going to smudge it out. I'm going to use the same gold shade or any other highlighter you prefer to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So this is my final look. I went ahead, put a little bit of highlighter and blush, and for my lips I've used the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in shade number 57. Now I'm going to take a minute and talk about how much I love these Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. I just discovered them like a month ago and I've bought 4 already. I keep everyone updated on my Instagram, so you can follow me right there to know the new products that I'm using and the makeup that I'm loving. But that is all I have for you guys today, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and let me know what other looks you want to see me do, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! I will see you guys next week. I didn't say like, comment, subscribe. Ow! 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 Ow!